If you get your problem wrong, you won't get to the right or the appropriate solution to it. Working to clarify or to even state the problem is critical. If the problem is not clearly stated, it will be difficult to mobilize resources for fixing it. It will be difficult to convince the government that they need to take action. If the problem is not recognized as a priority, it will also be very difficult to get the community or the external partner to support fixing the problem.
If you don't correctly identify the problem, then the whole exercise will be a waste of time, a waste of money, a waste of everything, because you are barking as a wrong tree.
Problem clarification is definitely important. It not only shows you specifically the problem, but then it puts it in context. So I know that yes, mothers are dying, and yes, there's not enough facilities and etc. But how big is this problem? Maybe actually it's not as big as I think. But clarifying the problem, the section of clarifying helps to put it in context. How big is this problem? Who actually is facing the problem? Where is it stemming from? You know? So then you're not just looking at symptoms, but you're looking at everything that is actually coming and feeding into this problem.
Donc lorsqu'on leur demande est-ce que c'est un problème de maladie? Est-ce que c'est un problème de risque? Est-ce que c'est un problème de système de santé? Et à l'intérieur du système de santé, est-ce que c'est un problème de gouvernance? Est-ce que c'est un problème de financement? Est-ce que c'est un problème de comment organiser les prestations? Les gens clarifient mieux et le problème devient très précis de manière qu'on peut l'attaquer. Maintenant, là où il y a souvent des difficultés, c'est lorsqu'il faut regarder les conséquences et surtout les causes du problème.
When a question initially comes, it's not clarified. It comes sort of randomly and scattered because they just want a solution to a problem. But then you have to find a way in which to present the problem or the question in a way that other policy members or members of parliament will accept it. So then we can say there's so many other political implications involved in the way a question is presented.
Problem definition and problem analysis should be an iterative process, and it should engage as much as possible stakeholders that are really outside the team who are really developing or writing the policy briefs.
Donc on demande et on aide ceux qui ont posé le problème d'abord à avoir un petit background qui essaie de situer les choses et à phraser le problème en regardant à chaque fois quel est l'avantage si on le dit comme ça et quel est l'inconvénient si on le dit de cette manière.
When this topic was given to us, we were a bit confused because when we reflect a lot on the topic, it is not distribution of misoprostol, that's the problem, but postpartum hemorrhage, that's the problem. So through time, over time, we clarified the problem that PPH in rural Ethiopia is the problem. Then we look for solutions. Then misoprostol could be one option. Other options could be there in the field. So we decided that we have to change the topic to prevention of postpartum hemorrhage in rural Ethiopia. That's the problem.